Well, hello, our fellow adventure seekers. Well, our desert time has come to an end. Well, hello, our fellow adventure seekers. Well, our desert time has come to an end. We're leaving tomorrow, so we thought we'd do kind of a different kind of video today.
Yeah,
Yeah?
a little update on what we've been up to and 2 months out in the desert and how it went. It's been pretty good all in all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our first time boondocking.
First time boondocking in the Arizona desert.
Yeah, we've been boondocking in Ontario, so this is our first time in Arizona.
Here in Canada, we've done some boondocking, but
Nothing like this.
nothing like this. Yeah.
So, by the way, I'm Andrea,
And I'm Todd
and these are our dogs. This is Chloe.
and Molly.
So, today, as you can see, it's a beautiful day here. 20 degrees. No, sorry, 25 degrees.
25 or 77 Fahrenheit.
Yep, for all the American people.
There you go.
And it's warm.
It's nice, beautiful,
Yeah.
perfect day.
Perfect day. Blue skies, everything.
Lots of blue skies out here. Get the odd rainy day this time of year, but it's not many.
Not many. I think we've had how many since
For last 2 months, maybe 3 or 4.
3 or 4 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, we couldn't go outside. It was well, you could go outside if you
horrible.
wanted to, but there was only I think 1 or 2 days you couldn't.
Yeah,
because it
1 or
was
2 days. It was a little too strong.
too windy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Other than that,
So we thought we'd do a little bit different today. We go over some what we found as I'll do the negatives maybe, and Todd will do the positives.
well, there's not that many negatives.
No, there wasn't that many negatives. Dust was my one big complaint. If you're trying to keep your rig clean, forget it. There's no way to keep your rig clean. And I have really bad allergies, so I found a couple days I was suffering with allergies, but for the most part it wasn't too bad. It's just when we're in the spot where we have a road in front of us, so a lot of traffic goes by, creates dust, the ATVs. But like I said, if you're trying to keep things clean, no, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah, but it hasn't been horrible.
Not horrible.
No,
No.
it's been pretty good all in all.
Yeah.
For being close to a main desert road, it's been not bad.
Yeah. Yeah. So what's the negative or a positive? I mean that you have.
Well, the positive is lots of space out here. You can have a quarter acre to five acres if you want.
Yep.
So just is what it is.
Yep.
You
And
can-
telephones ringing out of the desert.
even telephones. So for communications, if you got Starlink, you're laughing. Other than that, the Wi-Fi signal is a little sparse and a little slow.
Sorry to whoever was calling. We'll call you back. That's
That's
for
right.
sure.
Yeah. But
Yeah, the camping spots are great.
all the camping spots have been just amazing. That you can be with people or you can be as far out as you want and nobody in sight basically if that's what you're looking for.
Yep.
Yeah, so it's everything in between.
Yep. You just kind of square off a section that you want with rocks, make a little border, and
Set your camp up.
set your camp up.
Life is good.
Yeah. Another one of my complaints. It's not really a complaint, but it's just it was a little bit different. Is when you go to dump your rig, people pull it together. Come on, like seriously.
Does it take 20 minutes to dump your tanks at the
No.
pump station?
And don't sit and have a chit chat with somebody while you're there. There's lineups of people waiting.
If you're in there for more than 5 or 6 minutes, you're doing something wrong.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Like-
take that long to dump your tanks.
No,
Anywhere between 4 and 8 minutes, and you should be out of there.
that's right.
Not 15, 20, 25 on some people. It's just
Yeah.
unbelievable. But other than that, it's you only have to do that once a week or so it's not horrible. But
Right.
just camping etiquette could be a little better on some people. Learn how to do it better.
Yeah.
Other than that, not bad.
One thing that you liked was our bike riding.
Yeah, lots of if you want to hike and bike ride and ATV and side by sides, dune buggies, dirt bikes. You've got it all out here, that's for sure. You can go out closer to the mountains and run the trails all through town and out of town and through the mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's outdoor paradise for that.
Yeah, one thing we really enjoyed was our bike rides, and we had bought little baskets for the front of the bikes so we could take the dogs with us, so that they could enjoy some bike riding time too.
Yeah.
And you meet different people and get to see different rigs and the way that they're camping, so it was kind of cool.
If you're out here, some type of solar array and battery storage is a definite benefit, so you don't have to run your generator that often. Maybe just for top ups, and that's about it. A little bit of power, and if you want communications, Starlink for sure is the winner for out here.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
what we found, anyways.
Yeah, you have to have solar, that's for sure, to boondock out here, I would say, or a good generator, quiet generator.
Yeah, quiet generators, no open frame generators. Get the odd person with that. That's got a $60,000 rig and you've got a $299 open generator that rattles and clanks. And get yourself an inverter generator, people.
Yeah, really. Yeah. If you have small pets, this was one of the things. At night, a couple times we could hear the coyotes in the wash. And I believe I've read somewhere that it's mating season for the coyotes from January to March. So just be sure that you're always have an eye on your pets. Don't leave them on a leash outside unattended, or that sort of thing, like let them wander off by themselves. These two are pretty much in our control all the time. We have our eyes on them constantly, and as you can see, they're pretty spoiled.
Yeah, just a little.
Just a little. Oh, yeah. Well, anything else you gotta say?
No, I think that's it's been a good time out here. We'll definitely do it again.
Well, I'd say this campground, or not campground, but this area that we're into,
BLM.
yeah, it's La Poza South. They've done a really great job with amenities. Like, this being our first time, I didn't know what to expect, but they have trash service, water refills,
Trash bins.
trash bins,
Water refills, dump
dump
stations.
stations.
RV.
Yeah, and like we said, lots of trails, lots of everything, anything you want to do. Oh,
Only 5 minutes to town.
yeah, that's the other thing I wanted to mention though too. If you're out here at La Poza South, like where we are, it's good to have I would have a vehicle next time. That would be my only thing, like a small vehicle to go into town, because we have to break down our camp every time. So it's kind of a pain that way.
Yeah, it hasn't been horrible, but it'd be nice to have a tow car or a side by side. This year we don't have our side by side, so it'd be nice to have a side by side to run into town. But that'll happen next year for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and a different rig for next year, so we'll have a different setup. And
Oh, we are?
yeah, definitely.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna get a bigger setup again, just a little bigger, nothing huge, a little more space, and then we can tow another car behind us, or enclosed trailer, or side by side, something like that. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Yeah, the little van did us well.
Yeah. Road trek.
Yeah, the little road truck did us well. Wasn't Wasn't really what we wanted, but that's what we ended up with at the last minute.
Yeah, it was a last minute trip.
That's for sure.
Yeah, so it's threw it together real quick and closed trailer for some of the gear and the bicycles, and away we went.
Yeah, we made the best of it.
Yeah, made the best of it. And glad we did. It's been great, and we're gonna move on to RV park for about a month, and then back to the desert, some other location.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Watch us
Have some more video out
shortly.
shortly.
Yeah, I can't promise
Yeah.
when,
Yeah.
but shortly.
Day or two, 3.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Depends on what happens.
Yeah. Got to get settled at the new place first.
Yeah. All right. So, if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe,
Thanks
leave
for
a comment,
watching.
and leave a comment.
Yep.
Yeah. And thanks for watching.
All right, see you later.
Bye.